Does the New World Order have a secret agenda against small business? Today, first-time guest and host of Coatings Talk, Jim Kunkel, and I give context to my special interview with Tom Tucker of AutoCare.org way back in November while I was at SEMA in Las Vegas. I've been hanging on to this recording for months, waiting for the perfect time to shed some light and bring awareness to a movement in your state and local legislatures that could bring sweeping changes to the aftermarket auto parts industry, but also repair businesses that you use every day. How will this affect coatings and restoration? Is the future as bleak as we imagine, or is this the dawn of a new industrial age? There is more than just freedom at stake here, and now's not the time to stand idle. Let's unravel what the technocrats of the world really want from us. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.